Hi, I'm Hannah the horse, and welcome to my show.
Make them into garages. Let's open the windows so it's not very hot. The fan is there so nobody falls off. Let's bring some scaffolding over here like this. Johnny with his hot dog stand over here. That's a small front loader. Let's park him at the back. Beep, 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 beep. Oh no! Oh no! The bucket is too heavy. Alright, like this. Good job. And now bulldozer. With 3 orange cones. And now one of the trucks. Let's park him over here, inside garage for the night. And let's park the second truck as well. Good job! Let's put the bigger front loader also in the garage. Good job! Good parking skills. And finally, excavator with the big scoop. Just like that. Good job. And put some people over here and shovels over here. And let's add the toilet here to complete the set. Okay, let's try something else. Let's build the crane. This crane is so tall. It's very, very tall. Maybe it's too tall. Let's make it a little shorter. Like that. And then we'll remove this. Make it also shorter. And also we'll remove these blocks to make it even shorter. Here, Hannah, come closer to the crane. You see much better this way. Can you see this white bird? And we can make something else out of this. We can make a house. Our house will have walls. They will be stylish gray color. Connect them together and put some more windows. Then we'll put the roof on the top to finish it. Let's take this one apart so we can use more parts for that. Now we need to add something on this side. This wall, like this. In the middle, it will be white. Oh, look what we've got. Almost done. We need to add door over here. We can close it for the night. But we still need to place something here. Maybe we will do it like this. Great idea! Perhaps we can put the crane on top. Add the crane on the top, and now it's a very tall crane that can spin around. Let's put the birdie over here. But before we put the attic on, we need to add more to the second floor. Let's see how high we can make this building. Let's add the toilet to our second floor. Some fences so nobody falls. Bring some hot dog stand. Maybe we can put the hot dog stand over here. Okay, let's park there and let's bring some other. Let's put it here, like this. Some dump trucks. Okay, let's try something else. This is place for Hannah. You can sit over here, so she can see everything. Johnny there, this is wonderful sausages. You can park a big front loader. Right here. Dump trucks in here like this. That's one dump truck, and that's the second dump truck. Perfect. Place a small front loader and park it over here. And bring excavator. And park it over here. Like this. Also we can bring big bulldozer and park it over here. I would like one hot dog, please. That would be $2, 35 cents, please. Thank you very much. Delicious. That is so yummy. Wait. All right. I better bring hot dog back. Sorry. All right.
Thanks, everybody. It was really fun playing with you today, but we'll see you next time. For more content, you can go to my website, hannahthehorse.com. And if you want to support my channel, go to my Patreon page, patreon.com/hannahthehorse. See you soon, and bye for now.